Okay, hubby's in this video. Okay, but I already took off some of my stuff. I took off my 2 watches already. Well, they're not my watches, they're my grandma's. And I took off all her bracelets. Now, me and him are gonna finish taking off the rest of the stuff that we took off at night. But yeah, I keep these and this and all of my necklaces and most of my earrings. We're gonna put what we're gonna take off in here. So let's do that. I'm gonna start with all my rings. Gonna take off that one. That one. Be right back. I'm gonna take this one off camera. Okay. I'm gonna take that one off. That one off. That off. That off. It missed the bucket. And then now, I'm gonna have hubby take off what he wants. I'm gonna have hubby take off what he takes off at night. And then hubby's gonna put his ring in here as well so that he doesn't lose it. And then he'll take it back in the morning. So we got all rings in here secure. We got bracelets and everything that I don't wear at night, but I keep all of these. I keep all my bracelets here, and then I keep my earrings going up my ear and everything. He keeps in his gauges. He's never took his gauges out while he sleeps. I take mine out because mine are real quick, and then I'm gonna cut this video after this. Mine are these. Mine are like little metal deals. But yeah, if you guys have any other content, let me know. So he will go ahead and he'll make content